told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pass MCQ quiz for GoTranscript test. So as you can read here, it says to apply for the transcriber position you must complete quiz 100% correct using our Go guidelines. Each question can have one or more correct answers. So the first question reads, why is it important to pass the test on your own and without any help? So what you can do, okay, this one is very easy because the correct answer is B, but you can open the guidelines here, this one, just right click and open on new tab so that you can look for answers. For instance, the next question, what are the types of timestamping? You can just come here, control F to find what you want, then you type timestamping, and if you come here you will find that timestamping types, and you have two timestamping times. You have the after every 2 minutes and after every speaker changes. So come here and the correct answer is there, and there. These questions are very easy. I don't know why people fail these questions. So for if a term is spelled out like this one, all right, just come to the guidelines again and search for that spelled out spelling. Okay, let me see spelling. Let me find it. Yeah, exactly this one. If a speaker spells a word or a name, my name is Anna, you have to put capitals with the hyphen or the dashes between. All right, so come back, and the only thing that this one is wrong, A is wrong, there is no hyphen. B is wrong, they don't use underscore, and D is also wrong, they don't use a backslash. So the correct answer is C. All right, let's continue. These MSQ questions are very easy, very easy. How does time stamping every 2 minutes look like? This one is very simple. You just come here, where is that, the time stamping every 2 minutes, this one, just open this one, all right, so that you can see how you are supposed to write it. And you can see here the first, this one, the one that I've highlighted, interviewer, then there is that timestamp. That's how you are supposed to do it. And so this one is wrong, it's not in bold. This one is wrong, this one is long, not bold, not bold. So the correct answer is this one, the speaker name, then the timestamp. Right, let's continue. Question 5. What do you have to do when a person agrees on something by saying yep or okay? Clean verbatim. So come here, okay and yep. You can, sorry for that. Okay. Yeah, this one. So if someone says yeah, yep, you is all those, you just write yes, and all right should be all right, okay should be okay. So we have our correct answer as A. Number 6. If there is a comment next to the audio file saying please use the embedded time, come to the guidelines again, search for embedded time, this one. If there is a comment next to the audio file saying please use the embedded time button, you will need to download the file in order to watch the video and use the correct time. There is very easy. just come put the correct form of timestamping and say put transcript job. Please download the file. This is the correct answer. All right. If a speaker made a grammatical error in the sentence, how would you transcribe it? The same thing. Come here and write what? Grammatical error. Yeah, this one. Do not correct grammatical errors made by the speaker. You're not supposed to correct it. And do not use sync. You can see here the one that I've highlighted. Do not use sync. So just come back. There is a sync here, there is a sync here. So that is wrong. So the correct answer is B. Let's continue. Which is the correct format according to the GT guidelines? This one we have gone through. All right. If the quality of an audio video file is horrible, what do? You can just come here, search anything. You can even write that one, horrible. Okay, horrible. Yeah, sometimes the quality of audio or video files is horrible, so please let us know about that. We will contact the clients and provide a refund for the file. So of course you know the correct answer is that one, right? However, that file, it may be due to accent, and another person may be able to provide quality work on that job. So even the B is correct. So option B and C are also correct. Sawa sawa. Let's continue. What is correct format of the website? Come here. Just you can search with the link or website, and you can see here, this is how you are supposed to write it according to the guidelines. These one are very easy. That's why I'm going very fast, because you'll have just to go to find the solution on the guidelines. All right, let me just scroll so that you can see what I've answered, and I can click submit and see if I'm right or I'm wrong. All right. Yeah, so let me confirm.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hi. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon.
We have
and
passed
I was just going to go look through my orders because honestly, sometimes I feel...
Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to transcribe the audio and I'm going to upload it for you. Thank you very much. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It will give me some motives to continue uploading great videos for you. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until